Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to plan the week of the 17th of February 2020 to the 23rd. I will be using this beautiful kit from Hello Petite paper. It's called Life is Sweet. It's a summer mystery kit, and at the time I purchased the full boxes only, so I only have the full boxes, but I will be pulling some things from my stash. So the first things I'm gonna be using are the Simpy Gilded washi. So this is the Sugar collection. These two are the Sugar collection, the latest subscription box. And then I will be using the Sugar Icing, I think that's the name, in blush pink and gold foil, because I think it matches the kit pretty well. So I was gonna to use the bow polka dot, but it was in silver, so I just went with a gold. I don't like mixing metals. I will also, because I just got the full boxes, so I don't have deco or I don't have quarter boxes or anything like that, so I'll be pulling from my stash. So I am using for deco the Once More with Love, my own Once More with Love stash. This is just part of it. And half boxes, quarter boxes, and half boxes and quarter boxes, I will be using a lot of gold foil from different shops. So you have by Sharina Jane, Simply Watercolor Co., Panda Bird Designs with her scallops, and so on and so forth. And for overlay on the full boxes, I will be using also my stash. So I have a series of different shops here, and we'll go from there. So I hope you have fun enjoying it. I will be back with you at the end of the video after everything is done to show you the result. So as usual, I just white out my sidebar. I do not use the sidebar as a functional item. I just use it as a deco item. So I white out all of the lines on these inserts by just any printables. And then I use Simpy Gilded washi or any washi that comes in a kit to decorate it. So that's my train of thought every time I start a spread. So as you can see, I'm just trying to figure out the layout of the washi, what I want on top, what I want at the bottom, and I decided to go with the bows on the top, the icing in the middle, and the sprinkles at the bottom. And it came out really nicely. I think the pairing was really good. I have to say that I love this Fox and Pip ruler. It's really good to cut washi. I'm really excited that I got it. And once my sidebar is done, I move to the main base of the spread, which are the full boxes as well as the headers. This time around, I decided to use the Simpy Gilded washi, date cover washi, and I just did white out all of the dates and use the header, washi header, not washi header, washi date cover. And I was torn between the white or the pink, but I think that the white gave the pink gave it, you know, tied it up with the spread. So I think it was a good choice at the time, and I do that throughout the entire 7 days. I really hope Irene keeps this as a staple in her shop, as well as the perforated simple line ball washi, because they are absolutely my favorite to use. They add so much to the spread, and they also make are easy to use, which is the best thing for me. They are easy to cut, they're easy to tear out from the roll, and they make the spread look good. Anyway, moving to the full boxes, I choose my full boxes slowly, and I put the perforated washi on top of everyone as a header or as a decal, I'd say. And this is the scalloped in gold foil and white background. And again, I do that throughout the entirety of the days. I was left with just one full box, which makes me happy because I can use it on a daily with other leftover full boxes that I may have. Pretty much that's it for the base of the spread. So let's get started on the other details, which is the Monday through Sunday, pretty much. Every single icon that I use. I munchified all of my spread this week because I just wanted to use once more with love. So on Monday I put down for Monday for my coffee Monday markdown, and I put also down every single munchkin with a laptop throughout Monday to Friday. On the Monday I used the quarter boxes by Sharina Jane with picking munchkin to mark down an email I had to send, munchkin on a box for Happy Mail, the paperclip munchkin head for a plan that I had, and also a cutlery munchkin for pizza on that dinner. On the Tuesday, I used a half box by Simply Watercolor Co. to mark down that I wanted to run a distash. I went to the post office. Half box or quarter box by Simply Watercolor Co. to mark that I wanted to edit my haul part 2. I'll link it here down. And I also wanted to mark down water plants. On Wednesday, I used the half box by Sharina Jane to mark down that I had Happy Mail and also that it was Washi Wednesday. I also wanted to upload my whole part 1, and I wanted to use a munchkin to mark down that I needed to pay my credit card on that day, as well as it was bin night, so I used the munchkin with in the little house for you. On Thursday, I used the half box with the munchkin coming out of a box because I wanted to donate a lot of books, and a little icon by Once More with Love that I wanted to clean my litter trays, as well as the munchkin in a box because I wanted to decide other things that I want to donate. It was my husband's game night that day, so I marked it down with the munchkin, as well as water plants again. Friday, I wanted to mark down the meeting at the city that I had, as well as I did 2 hours of overtime, and it was Simply Gilded pre-sale. On this one, I had to change things around to make it look more cohesive, so I used my undo. I also wanted to do a planning time because I love doing planning time on Fridays. On Saturday, I needed to do a PO run the stash. I sold like almost 4 kilos of planner. I know it's insane, but that's what it is. I also wanted to take pictures for another distash. I did my laundries and I marked with this cute washing line, and I took a nana nap. I really needed that nap, and I'm so happy I took that nana nap. On the Sunday, I did my weigh-in for my 2 months diet, and it was really good. So I marked that down with the munchkin, and I needed to film a plan with me that you're seeing now, uploaded my previous one, and added my whole part 3. Then I just wanted to relax and watch Netflix. I did some meal prep, and I've done some planning time. And that's all I've done with all of the munchkins. That's it, everyone. I've just finished putting all of the base down, so the washi, the headers, and half boxes, full boxes, as well as all of the icons, and I really like how it looks. It looks, again, cutesy spread with all of the munchkins, and still with the gold accents, which I love, and functional, and it keeps me accountable, and I remember everything that I've done in certain days and dates. So I will write down everything, and I'll get back to you shortly. Alright, I'm back. I just finished completing writing down everything. And for you, if you have the perforated Simply Gilded washi date covers, I would recommend to use the micro perm as a permanent marker, because that's what is going to write on that sort of washi tape. And this one came with one of the subscription boxes, but if you have a chance to buy one, I would advise you to do so. So let me write down the dates and I'll be back again. Okay, so I would say it works. The permanent, micro permanent works. I like a little more, a thicker nib instead of this one. So what I might do next time is use the date dots from Rose Color Days, the overlay date dots, which works just as fine. But that is my spread for the week of the 17th to the 23rd, and I think again it looks really cute, and it's completely possible to just buy your full boxes if your shop of preference has them a la carte, and make a beautiful spread with whatever you have on your stash already. So I'm really happy with that. And I used overlay on the full boxes from different shops. So I used Panda Bird Designs, Arctic Paper Studio, and GP Sticker Studio, as well as Little Miss Papery. And that's it. So you have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday on the other page, and it is just awesome. So thank you guys so much for your patience. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below. Also click on the bell notification so you can be advised every time I upload a new video. And if you haven't checked my Instagram, please do so at Sammie_plans, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.